guys, pulling into Windrock Park campground. About to figure this out, where to go in just a second. Looks like a lot of trailer hitch scrapes on this road. Must be a steep one. Here we go. Yep. Alright, so we are headed to the top of the hill. We're going to get checked in just a minute and we'll figure out what to do next and where to set up our campsite. So look forward to a great weekend. Alright, we ended up with overflow parking over at Windrock Park. So what sucks is no power, no water, and we bought 2 spots, but there was no 2 adjoining spots, so we just grabbed the last one that was available. But what is good, we got all of our stuff. This is a very large spot, if you would. So at least we got backed in here. We're all right. We're gonna start unloading, and hopefully next time you see the spot, there'll be a tent and everything else. There you go. What do you think, Pipe? We good?
Awesome, and I think we're good.
All right. We good, Shy?
Yeah.
There's Coop over there. Sup, Colt?
Huh?
Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so we've made a little progress. We haven't unloaded the bikes or anything yet. We went right to getting the tent up so it can air out. We are about to cook out. We got our grate above the grill. We'll see how that goes. It's a little high, but I think we'll be okay. We got the tent set up and the awning set up and the table. We are looking good.
I swallowed a whole bunch of Gatorade.
You swallowed a whole bunch of Gatorade? What do you think? You like it? Is it good Gatorade?
Yeah.
Cooper's doing some sort of shuffle over there. Cooper, stay out of the mud though. Yeah, no water. We have no way to wash. All right. Anybody want to say any words of encouragement? How are we doing so far? All right. What did you guys think of setting up the tent and all? Boring? It smells? Like diarrhea. All right. Cooper, what did you think of setting up the tent? Tiring. All right. You guys ready to do some cooking?
No.
All right. Well, here we go. Wish us luck.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
People are smiling, waving, laughing. I don't.
What were people smiling and laughing at?
I was doing this.
No, you being silly. All right. How do we do with supper?
Good.
Good? Not bad?
Flaming yum.
We used the grate. Starting to eat. Some good times.
Next time you see us, we'll probably be in PJs.
Is Cheyenne filming this time?
Plus me driving. Can't forget me, Shy.
And Colt. And Colt's driving. I am recording. Nick, or Daddy, is right now doing the dirt bikes, or unloading the dirt bikes,
Yes.
and we're just taking you on this lovely ride.
But tomorrow we're riding dirt bikes and stuff, so that'll be fun. Shy's following us on the golf cart. Pipe is gonna be with us on the mini bike.
Yes.
Let's see what we got. Like, I don't want to. We ran over this bulb. I want to know what it was. I think it was that.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, but it was this that we hit. We hit this.
All right, here we go up and at him. There's some side-by-sides, park ranger, and 4-wheelers. Then on our left are people camping. And we'll come back to
I'm
you.
on the right side of the road.
Yes, you are on the right side of the road. And we will come back to you when we have more adventures.
This is the back view of the golf cart, as you can see. Back here. And it's been a wild adventure in this afternoon. As you can tell, we have had a lot of adventures so far. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe, people. Like, it's not even a wait anymore.
Now we are on our way back to the campsite we are on, or we sleep with, yeah, and then there's some cool RVs for people, which are awesome, and then there's more side-by-sides that are very muddy, and then the one over there is too, and here comes a side-by-side that is very lit up and sparkly. And I don't know what Colt's doing, but he's doing something.
Cheyenne, cuddle in over here. Hey, Shy.
Hi.
We come around. Oh, that's a little too bright. A little too bright. Let's see if I can get everybody. There's Colt over there. And this thing. Look at this cute little thing tucked in. All right.
Good night, people.
Good night, YouTubers. Say it one more time. Say good night, YouTubers.
Good night, YouTubers.
That was adorable. All right. Good night, everybody.
Chad, what's going on right now?
Sleeping.
You're sleeping.
Totally.
You are wide awake.
No, I'm just
What's going on right now?
nothing.
Okay, then. Cooper, what's going on right now?
Oh, nothing. But I'm gonna light the mic.
Okay. Hey, Dad, what's going on?
A cute little girl. Also, we got breakfast going. So we woke up this morning. Hard night's sleep on the ground, but it was all good. So we made it work. We got breakfast cooking. Been to the bathhouse already. Had some rides with the golf cart, and after this we'll figure out how to start riding, and so we'll figure out where to go to get on the trail and what to do. So it should be a fun, adventurous day.
Like, what you doing? So once Brett gets here, we're gonna go out and ride. Okay, is that it? But before that, we're gonna get breakfast, and we're gonna explore some on the golf cart, and then that's pretty much it.
Do what?
I need help.
Alright, let me picture that dude. What's that, Cooper? Excited? About to roll up on the general store, get registered. Brett's getting buried out there.
Hey,
she give you a trail map? Yeah. Okay.
Hey guys, we just
so
got
essentially
back
we'll go left,
store,
and that'll take us to where all the trails start. I don't have an inkling of which one to go down though. We didn't make it that far. All right.
We're talking about what trails we're doing. So now we're all coupled, and now we're leaving. So.
see that?
What? Which one?
TNT. See? The white one. There.
This one? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So I wonder if that's their factory is back there then. That's got to be, right? With all that setup. You would hate to get into there or love to? If I could do it, I would.
Here's a flat tire.
He's flexing and he's worthy. He ain't got a flat tire. They run them low on purpose. Well, now it sounds like it, yeah, now it's off to the right. Oh, that's neat. Guys, let's look at this food right quick and see what we want to grab. So we got funnel cake, barbecue, hold on, CJ tacos, some hot dogs. We're probably all sick of hot dogs. All right, we're gonna see what all they got and then we'll grab something. They got Kona ice. Oh yeah.
I want to do that. Me and Cole can do that.
No, we're not doing throwing axes, guys.
Why are you scared we're gonna hit someone?
Yeah, that just doesn't sound safe for kids.
I'm sure I'm just
All right, guys, I think this is the end of the food. Do we want to circle back and grab something? All right, come on, Barrett.
East Tennessee girls, right? This song's about that too. Them volunteer girls just know what's up. Here we go. As you know to wear your hair like that. As you know to turn up that song. As you know the little people's gonna tear me up and turn me on. Just like you know it's true. But you better know me at all. Yeah, the way it's going now, you probably know I'm ready to fall cop. Maybe you a little while, maybe you a little mind. Yeah, that's what you are. Maybe I'm a little shallow, maybe you're a heart. Cause I can do that smile, it's gonna melt down. Pull those lips on what I need right now. Girl, you lay on mine. Who can play beer pong over here? Are you good at beer pong? You are? Jump in line, bro. Wobbly.
Colt and Cooper.
Alright, I need a guy that can play beer pong.
Sword fight of death.
You look like you play beer pong before. Here, come on, beer pong.
Barrett is out. sword fighting random people. No, Cooper, don't do that, bud. Baird is out sword fighting random people, cracking them up. Oh, Piper with a photo bomb. So normally when we leave an event in Atlanta, it is bumper to bumper cars. First event that I'm leaving, that is going to be bumper to bumper, side by sides. Real neat experience. Alright guys, this is Sunday, our last day. Checkout time has already occurred, but we're going to go out for a quick ride and kind of press it. All the campsites are pretty much empty. There's one or two here and there. Big difference from today though, or just the weekend till now. he's going for it. Oh shoot. He did it.
I'll turn. Dude, that thing takes it like nothing.
That really does.
I don't know if you see it, but there's a little like thing, like a drop off.
Over that rock. Yeah, looks like he was able to get around it all right. There's a big rock there that he just passed on. All right, back to it. home from our Shindig and Windrock Park camping expedition, if you would. So fabulous weekend. We had left early on Friday, was out there Saturday, all day on Sunday. It's about 7 o'clock right now, just coming through Chattanooga. Just really had a blast. So good family time, got some riding in, good times with some friends, met some new friends, enjoyed the concert. Really had a blast. So I appreciate you watching the video with us and sharing these moments with us. I don't know what else to say. Kids, anything to say to YouTube for the weekend? All right, well, I guess that's it. Y'all have a great one.